here at the Smoking Goose, where Chris is crafting some of the most celebrated charcuterie in the country.
I really enjoyed all these different processes of preserving and curing, salting and drying and smoking, and the properties of salt, what all it can do, the amounts, time, and how long, and moisture, pH, and all those really important details.
Literally, we get whole animals inside one door, and they make the routine through all of those rooms, and out the other door comes 40 different meat treats, 40 different products. So in our raw room, where the raw product comes in, whether it's whole animals or all of the different products, things getting ready to be smoked, trimming, cutting, all of the steps that go into creating the product, making the product. From there, depending on the recipe, it'll either head to our fermenting chamber, into our aging room, or into that huge smoker. So lots of different kind of multiple steps with different flavor outcomes, and then head into our packaging. And that's the last step before it heads out of Smoking Goose and onto your dinner table.
Now you're supplying 46 states with charcuterie and fresh sausages and all these wonderful things.
It says a lot about our community, that folks were hungry for what we were making. And then down the line, be able to support the farmers, be able to support the distributors. And it says a lot about the way that people want to eat in the States right now.
What makes Chris's products so interesting is not just that he's sourcing from local family farms, but that he's taking these old world techniques and he's giving them a modern Midwest spin.